Is there a place in your YouTube analytics that tells you what is the best time for posting your videos for getting the most views on your content? Well, yes, there is, and I will show you how in this video. Hey, Alexis Aranoia here. Welcome to my channel where I help Gen Xers and beyond grow a YouTube channel. So it's super fast and easy to find this particular analytic for your YouTube channel. You simply go into YouTube Studio, go into Analytics, and then from the top tabs where it says Overview, Content, and Audience, you choose Audience, and then you scroll down till you see a purple chart at the bottom that says when your viewers are on YouTube. Well, you can see the darkest purple is when you have the most people online, and the lighter the purple is when less likely your viewers are online. That's a quick visual chart to look at, and you can hover over the chart to see what time is best for posting. So I can see in this chart that if I hover over the dark purple, 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. is a good time for me to post on Wednesday. But below that says daily. So if it's Wednesday and you're like, oh, when should I post my video today? You just quickly go down to this recommendations, and it says Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and you could choose 8 p.m., for example, would be ideal to post on this day. And if for some reason this little chart doesn't show up in yours, I have TubeBuddy, so that might be because I have TubeBuddy plugin. Okay, great. Hope this tutorial is fast, to the point, and helpful. And if you liked it, please subscribe. I post lots of quick tip videos like this on my channel. So thanks for watching. Bye.